How to remove end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to remove end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch WhatsApp, sign in to your account. Tap three dots at top right. Tap on settings, scroll down, tap on chats, scroll to the bottom and tap on chat backup. Once you reach on chat backup page, scroll to the bottom and tap on end-to-end encrypted backup. So you can see it has been turned on. In order to remove end-to-end encrypted backup, tap on turn off button and you can easily enter your current password. In case you forget the password, you can tap on I forgot my password and verify your identity by entering your fingerprint or lock screen password. You can tap turn off and tap on done. With that, your backup is no longer end-to-end encrypted. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.